So this is the quesadilla recipe. So starting off with just some butter in a pan. This is how we're gonna cook our chicken. I normally don't cook with butter, but when I tell y'all, this chicken came out different. So I might have to start using butter when I cook my chicken. Rarely, because I don't use butter a lot. So I'm gonna put some chicken in the pan and then I'm gonna come back. Just so you guys know what's going on, the chicken has been seasoned with a little bit of seasoned salt, garlic, pepper. And then it's going into a pan with a little bit of butter, because butter make it taste better. If you watch DR, then you know. So we're just gonna let that cook for a little bit. You wanna keep it on low in the beginning, just so we can make sure this is cooked all the way throughout. You don't wanna rush it. So if you put it on too high, it's gonna be raw on the inside and burnt on the outside. So just low and slow. Our chicken is doing well. I added a little rosemary. It smells so good. A little bit of butter and some rosemary. Oh my gosh. Flipped it. Added a little bit of garlic. You can see it peeking through under there. And added 1 more tablespoon of butter. So we only use 3 tablespoons, so it's not that much. So I forgot to show the chicken, but this is the final result. So good. And just wait on it. Quesadilla coming soon. We are here. That quesadilla, y'all, is something else. It's really something else. It's the, oh my god, that pimple is crazy on my face. It's the honey mustard. The honey mustard. Such an easy recipe. Literally all you need to do is saute you some onions, some mushrooms, some spinach together. Boom. Cook some chicken breast, chicken thighs, whatever type of chicken you like. Cook some chicken, season it up a little bit with some rosemary, garlic, all that. Boom. Then you just have a normal tortilla. You want to put spread that honey mustard. Spread it, girl. Once you spread it, add your chicken, add your cheese, add your mixture, and it comes out so good. So good. So good. If you want to spice it up a little bit more, add some guac, some sour cream, and some salsa on the side. I'm trying to tell y'all, it's the best. Literally, I don't make quesadillas often. That was bomb. It was so good. So now I'm just trying to edit Vlogmas Day 10. It's crazy we're at Day 10. If you haven't heard my crazy story time about how I really thought I was about to die, then go watch it. Hey y'all, we are back. I just got off of work. The day was interesting. It was just very interesting. But yes, I'm sitting here in the dark. I'm editing Vlogmas Day 10. It's late. It's 9:15. So my goal is to get it up by 11. I haven't made my tea yet, but I have my hot water. And the tea bag I'm going to be using today is pomegranate and raspberry. We got the Christmas tree up, and we got the fireplace on the TV for the vibes. We love the vibes. I'll be doing this for the rest of the night. I think I'm going to do a little bit of nighttime yoga after I finish this. After that, it's going to be time for bed.